Good morning students. You are most welcome on Sanskaram YouTube channel. This video is dedicated to 8th class competition section, and in this video lecture number 4, we discuss on the long question answer of chapter number 1st. I hope that you completed your short question answer in your fair notebook. So now let's start the question number 66, A part. What is meant by creep crops? Give 2 example of creep crops. So our answer of this question on page number 2nd. Our answer start from here. The creep crops which are shown in the rainy season are called creep crops. And then the showing of the creep crops start in June, July at the beginning of southwestern monsoon, because the crops need substantial amount of water. The creep crops are harvested at the end of monsoon season during September or October. Example of the wheat crops are there, creep crops are there: paddy, maize, millet, soybean, groundnut and cotton. This is the answer of question number 66, A part. Now next question number 66, B part. 66, B part. What is the meant by rabi crops? Give 2 example of rabi crops. Or this answer is on page number 2 also. Rabi crops. The crop grown in winter season are called rabi crops. The time period of rabi crops is generally October to March. The showing of rabi crops beginning of winter, October, November, and the crops harvested by March, April. Some of the example of rabi crops: wheat, gram, pear, mustard, linseed, etc. This is the answer of question number 66, B part. Our next question number 67. It also have 2 parts, A and B. So first A part of question number 67 is what is meant by showing. What are the various methods of showing of the seed? Question number 67, A part. What is meant by showing, and what are the various methods of showing the seeds? So our answer of this question on page number 5. On page number 5, you can see the answer of question number 67, A part. What is meant by showing? The process of scattering seed in the ground for the soil for growing the crop plant is called showing. And next, what are the various methods of showing the seeds? Method of showing the seeds. There are 2 methods showing of the seed. The showing of seed by hand is called broadcasting also, and the implement used for showing is a seed drill. They are the 2 methods of showing of seeds, and yes, this answer is complete. Question number 67, B part. What are precautions should be taken in showing the seed? So our answer of B part of 67 question on page number 6. Precaution for showing the seeds: first, second precaution, third and fourth. This is the answer of question number 67, B part. Now next question number 68. Our next question number 68 is what are good quality of seeds? You are given a sample of wheat seed. How will you select good healthy seeds for showing? So our answer of question number 68 on the page number 5, and also a activity included in this. Good quality seeds are clean and healthy seeds, free for infection and disease. And why? You are given a sample of wheat seeds. How will you select good healthy seeds for showing? So put all the seeds in a bucket containing water and still stir well. Most of the seed will settle down at the bottom, where some of seed will float on the top. The seeds which sink in the bottom of the bucket are the healthy seeds. On the other hand, seeds which float on the water are the spoiled seeds. So our answer is complete. Our next question number 69, A part. Question number 69, A part. What is the process of transplantation in agriculture? Give example of 2 crops which are usually grown by this process. What is the process of transplantation in agriculture? Give example of 2 crops which are usually grown by this process. So our answer of question number 69A part on page number 7. Heading is transplantation. Yes, here is our answer of question number 69. The process of transferring the seedling from the nursery to the main field by hand is called transplantation or transplanting. Example of two example, tomato and chili. These are the example of transplantation crop. So our next question is question number 69 B part. Question number 69 B part, he asks us, state the two advantages of the process of transplantation in growing crops. Only two advantages. So our answer is on page number 7 also. You can see here are the advantages of transplantation. So you can choose any two. So we take second and third. They are the two advantages of transplantation. First, the process of transplantation allows better penetration of the root in the soil. Second, the process of transplantation promotes better development of root system of the plants. So our answer is complete. Today our last question, question number 70, A part, what is irrigation? Why is irrigation necessary? So answer of this on page number 10 and 11. Irrigation. The process of supplying water to crop plant in the field is called irrigation. And why is irrigation necessary? So our answer is start from here. Yes, first point, irrigation before the plugging the field make the soil soft. From here. Second point, irrigation is necessary to provide moisture for the germination of the seed. This is the second point. Only till seed. Irrigation is necessary to maintain the moisture of soil for healthy crop growth. Fourth point, irrigation is necessary for absorption of nutrient element by the plant from the soil. This is the point number 4. Point number 5, water supplied the crop during irrigation protect the crop plant from hot air current as well as frost. Complete. So this is the answer of question number 70 A part. Next question, question number 70 B part. Question number 70 B part, name the various sources of irrigation in our country. So our answer is on page number 12. Page number 12. Source of irrigation. Source of irrigation in our country. Crops are supplied water for irrigation from different sources like river, canal, well, tube well, dams, ponds and lakes. Even rain is the main source of irrigation for the crop. You also add these lines. The water available in well, lakes and canal is lifted up by different method in different region for taking into the field. As you wish, if you want to add these lines, you can add or not. So our long question answer of chapter first is complete. Now we start the MCQ. First MCQ, which of the following crop would enrich the soil with nitrogen? So legume plants, our answer is B. 72, which of the following is not a creep crop? Paddy, maize, groundnut, they all are the creep crops, but mustard, rabi crop. Yes. 73. In agricultural broadcasting, is used for broadcasting is used for showing the seed. Broadcasting is used for showing the seed by hand is called the broadcasting. So our answer is D. Now 74. Fish liver oil is rich in vitamin A and D. Where is the check the option where I think in C part you can show that vitamin A and D. So our answer of 74 is C. 75. Which of the following is not grown by transplantation? Tomato, chili, ped. Our answer is C. Our answer is C. Pea plants are not grown by transplantation. 76. Which of the following is not a rabi crop? Which of the following is not a rabi crops? So our answer of 76, pea, wheat and linseed are both the rabi crops, but soybean is a kharif crop. 77. One of the following crop is not cultivated by showing its seed directly into the soil. Very easy. Paddy crops. Tomato are cultivated by the practice called, yes, no confusion, transplantation. Our answer is transplantation, because tomato, chili and paddy crops are the transplantation crops. Next, 79. Which of the following cannot be provided to the soil a chemical fertilizer? Our answer is humus. Which of the following is not grown by transplantation? Tomato, chili, paddy, papaya. Our answer is papaya, because chili, tomato and paddy both are the transplantation crops. Next, 81. The rhizobium bacteria present in the root nodule of a pea plant can fix one of the following from the atmosphere. So rhizobium fix the hydrogen? No. Oxygen? Oh no. Halogen? No. Nitrogen. So our answer is C, nitrogen. Next, 82. The process of beating out grain from the harvested crop, wheat crop, is called. So give me the answer. Is called threshing. Is called threshing. 83. The food obtained from animal is very rich in protein. Very rich in protein. Next, 84. The government agency responsible for purchasing grains from the farmer, safe storage and distribution is Food Corporation of India. So FCI, Food Corporation of India. 85. The process of removing unwanted plant from a crop field is called, I think, harvesting. Oh no, is called weeding. Is called weeding. Poultry give us egg, yes. Meat, yes. Next, meat as well as egg, yes. So our answer is C. Next, 87 number. Which of the following not a correct statement for showing the seeds? Seed should be sown at right interval. Yes, very good. It's right. Seed should be sown at right depth. Yes, it's also right. Seed should be sown in dry soil. No, it's wrong. And seeds should not be sown in highly wet soil. It's also wrong, but it use not. So our answer is C. Our answer is C. Seed should be sown in dry soil. It's not a correct statement. 88. Which of the following system of irrigation is preferred for the uneven land? We all know that for uneven land we can use the sprinkler irrigation system. 89. The two crops which are not grown by showing their seed directly into the soil in large field are tomato B and C. Check the answer, veg B and C, veg B and C, option B. Our last MCQ for today, the best technique of watering the fruit plant and tree, drip system of irrigation. Drip system of irrigation. Yes, you also do the question based on high order thinking skill. Very easy. In 99, you check the order of these. First, preparation of soil, plugging the field, showing irrigation, manuring, or you can add manure before irrigation, harvesting, and the sending crop to sugar factory. Next, kharif crops, rabi crops, chemical fertilizer, organic manure. So you do question number 92, 93, 94 and 95 with the help of your elder and your parents. Thank you class, thank you students.